press the bell icon on your YouTube app and never miss any of my video.
So yes, this is a review video, and yes, my first review video in this year. This is my first video, so obviously this is my first review video. So yes, I have got my hands on this. Hey my fam, how are you? And a very happy new year to all of you. And yes, this is my first video of this year, and I hope you would love it. And if you love it, please give it a thumbs up and also share with your friends and family. So yes, this is the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. So I was really excited for this, and I was really going through Instagram stores and just checking their products and all, and then I find out the Instagram store called Cheap Cosmetics Kolkata. Yes, this is the name, and I would be just mentioning the name right here somewhere on the screen, and I would also be mentioning it in the bottom bar. So yes, Cheap Cosmetics Kolkata. This is the Instagram page from which I bought this, and this is almost, I guess this is one of the best copy of the Jaclyn Hill palette. Of course this is not the original one, so yes, but it looks really the same. As you can see, it has photographs of Jaclyn Hill over here, then she has a message over here for their subscribers, and then the product name, the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. It is written in grey, which is also written in grey in the original one. So yes, now let's open it and see how it looks from inside. So when you open, you get your product here, and again you can see it has silver writing over here. I guess the camera is capturing. So again you would find the Jaclyn Hill palette Morphe written over here, and then over here Morphe x Jaclyn Hill. So it looks quite similar from the original one, and then you get your product over here. This is such an amazing palette, guys. Just look at the colors, look at the variety. This is an amazing palette, and I was like craving for always, and I wanted this for myself. And yes, then you get something written over here by Jaclyn. So yes, the product is amazing. It has mattes, it has shimmer, it has foil eyeshadows, so a great variety of eyeshadow you would be getting in this. And the price of this Jaclyn Hill palette from Cheap Cosmetics Kolkata, it was for $835, $845, I am not really sure, but it was below 900 I guess, or below 1000. I am really bad at remembering price, because I have bought some more eyeshadows and lip colors with this Jaclyn Hill palette, and the owner of that Instagram page, her name is Haya, and she is such a kind, such a beautiful person, and she has given me this palette. I was in Kolkata, and I said I would just pick it from you, and because I was new in Kolkata, so I was not really knowing all the places. So I was there in Guriya Hat market, and I just called her and I said, Haya, I can't reach your place wherever you are calling me, and I'm here, right here in Guriya Hat, and can you please just bring my parcel over here? So she just sent her friend with my parcel, and he was just calling me and asking me where I am, and then he bought my parcel, and this was really kind of her. And yes, I would be shopping her more from her, because she has some great varieties. She has jewelries, she has makeup, she has amazing things on her Instagram page. So yes, do visit her Instagram page, and I would be linking the page in the bottom bar, and please go check it out. She has amazing things, guys. So now coming back to this Jaclyn Hill palette, I would be now showing you some of the swatches. So this is my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I would be showing you some matte, some nudes, some foil, some shimmer. So a variety of eyeshadows I would be showing you. So first I would be showing you this color right here. This is a foil eyeshadow, and I would be going like this and just applying it here. So this is the color. So the camera was not capturing just nicely, so I just focused in, and you can see this is an amazing foiled eyeshadow and it looks beautiful. This is a warm bronze eyeshadow, and now I would be showing you a nice green color eyeshadow which has a bit of shimmer in it. So it is a really nice peacock, no, it's not a green, it's a blue eyeshadow. So yes, I would be just showing you right here. So just see the pigment, guys. This is so nice. This is amazing. So this is the second eyeshadow I have shown you, and now I would be showing you a nice foil shimmery kind of a shade which has like golden hint, and just let me apply it over here. So this is a really nice maroonish kind of a shade. Beautiful pigment, guys, beautiful color payoff, and the best thing about it, I have used it once and it has no fallouts whatsoever. So amazing. The feeling of the eyeshadow is so soft, silky like. And now let me show you some other, this beautiful olive green color. So it has a variety of shades, and the color payoff, you can see it by your own. It has amazing color payoffs, guys. So I have shown you some of the beautiful shades right here. I have shown you warm bronze color shade, I have shown you peacock blue, I have shown you maroonish kind of a shade, and I have shown you this olivey sea green kind of a shade. So this is the swatch, and you can see these are amazing. These are freaking beautiful. So yes, these were the swatches of this beautiful Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. And yes, I am just loving it, and I would be shooting a full eye makeup look with this amazing eyeshadow palette soon. And yes, this was all for this video, and yes, please check the Instagram page of Haya Cheap Cosmetics Kolkata, and I would be linking it in my bottom bar, and you can go and check it out. And yes, this was all for this video, and I hope you loved it, and if you loved it, please give it a thumbs up and also share with your friends and family. And yes, I would be winding up my video over here. Bye bye, see ya.